Welcome to the most comprehensive AI learning journey designed for 2026. This tutorial launches a 365-day curriculum that transforms complete beginners into AI professionals through consistent daily practice. We'll cover the complete spectrum from fundamental concepts to advanced implementations, requiring just 5 minutes of focused learning each day. The AI job market presents an unprecedented opportunity with demand far exceeding supply. Industry projections indicate 15 million new AI positions will emerge by end of 2026, while only 3 million professionals are expected to meet qualification standards. This massive gap creates a 5-to-1 opportunity ratio, making AI skills among the most valuable in the modern economy. We're experiencing a historical inflection point similar to the automotive revolution of the 1920s. Just as early automobile adopters became industry pioneers while others dismissed cars as luxury toys, today's AI early learners will shape tomorrow's technological landscape. The current mainstream perception of AI as merely advanced chatbots mirrors the historical underestimation of transformative technologies. AI's impact extends far beyond technology companies, fundamentally transforming every major industry sector. Healthcare leverages AI for diagnostic imaging and drug discovery, finance employs machine learning for risk assessment and algorithmic trading, and education utilizes AI for personalized learning paths. This universal adoption creates opportunities across all professional domains, not just traditional tech roles. The foundation phase establishes core competencies through systematic vocabulary building and conceptual understanding. Students develop intuitive grasp of neural network architectures, learn essential machine learning terminology, and acquire Python programming skills necessary for AI implementation. This phase emphasizes conceptual clarity over mathematical complexity, making advanced topics accessible to beginners. The building phase transitions from theory to practical implementation through hands-on model development. Students construct their first machine learning algorithms, work with industry-standard datasets, and develop deep learning competencies. By day 180, learners complete their first portfolio project demonstrating practical AI skills to potential employers. The specialization phase allows students to focus on specific AI domains aligned with career objectives. Computer vision specialization covers image processing and object recognition, natural language processing explores text analysis and language models, while AI engineering emphasizes production deployment and system architecture. This targeted approach develops deep expertise in chosen specializations. The mastery phase tackles cutting-edge AI technologies and ethical considerations while developing a comprehensive capstone project. Students explore transformer architectures underlying modern language models, implement reinforcement learning algorithms, and address AI ethics and bias mitigation. The capstone project demonstrates mastery-level competencies suitable for professional AI positions. AI career paths offer exceptional compensation reflecting high demand and specialized skill requirements. AI engineers command average salaries of $180,000 focusing on production systems and deployment. Machine learning scientists earn $200,000 plus developing novel algorithms and research, while AI product managers average $160,000 bridging technical capabilities with business strategy. The linear regression example demonstrates how AI systems identify patterns in data through statistical learning. The algorithm discovers the multiply by 2 relationship from training examples, then applies this learned pattern to predict outcomes for new inputs. This same principle of pattern recognition scales from simple linear relationships to complex neural networks processing millions of parameters in systems like GPT models. Modern AI systems like ChatGPT operate on identical principles as our simple example but with exponentially more complexity. Advanced neural networks contain billions of parameters learning intricate patterns from massive datasets, yet the core concept remains pattern recognition through training examples. Understanding these foundational principles enables comprehension of sophisticated AI architectures and their practical applications. Current AI job market analysis reveals unprecedented demand-supply imbalance creating exceptional opportunities for skilled practitioners. The 5-to-1 ratio between available positions and qualified candidates spans multiple industries beyond traditional technology sectors. This scarcity drives significant skill premiums, making AI competency among the highest valued professional capabilities in the modern economy. The curriculum employs spaced repetition and micro-learning principles to maximize retention and minimize cognitive load. Daily 5-minute sessions leverage compound learning effects, where consistent small investments accumulate into substantial expertise over time. This methodology proves more effective than intensive cramming sessions, allowing working professionals to develop AI skills without overwhelming time commitments. Day 2 explores fundamental AI definitions often misunderstood in popular discourse. We'll distinguish between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning while addressing common misconceptions perpetuated by media representations. This foundational understanding proves critical for navigating technical discussions and making informed decisions about AI applications in professional contexts. Beginning this AI journey requires commitment to consistent daily learning over the next 365 days. The structured curriculum transforms complete beginners into professionally competent AI practitioners through systematic skill building and practical application. Success depends on maintaining daily learning habits rather than perfect attendance, allowing flexibility while ensuring steady progress toward AI expertise. Immediate action solidifies commitment and begins your transformation journey today. Subscribing ensures consistent access to structured daily lessons while engaging with the learning community provides motivation and support. Share your specific AI career interests to receive personalized guidance and connect with like-minded learners pursuing similar professional objectives in the artificial intelligence field.